Hello, viewers. Welcome to Baba on YouTube. Alagbara Shida. I'm East geopolitical zone, presenting the seasonal rainfall has been released by the agency 2024. I have presented some and I'm presenting today the Northeast. In the Northeast, 6 states: Adamawa, Borno, Taraba, and Yobe. In today's episode, I am presenting BAUCHI State, Northeast zone of Nigeria. In BAUCHI, we have about 20 local, and I am presenting for prediction 20 local government in, starting with Alkaleri local government. Alkaleri state, Alkaleri state of rain local government in BAUCHI State 17. That rain number 7 20. In government which as BAUCHI of rain there 2 and the rain November 4. We have Bogoro government with its Bogoro. Rain in Bogoro local 14 and by November 9. In Damban local government at Damban, onset of rain 2020. The rain will stop by 20. In BAUCHI State, Darazo local as Darazo, and the onset of Darazo local government 2024 will stop by October 2024. In BAUCHI State, we have DAS with its DAS. In DAS local May 19 stop by November 8. We have government with its power. Gamawa local government 14 and by October 2024. Ajua local government in BAUCHI with headquarters at Kafin Harvard. Kafin with headquarters at the onset of rain May 29 by October 30. In government, we have local government. Jade local has its headquarters and the onset of June 7, 2020. The rain will cease 26, 20. In Ita local government, at Itas, onset of rain in Asgadau local June 12, 20. The rain will stop 2024. In government with at Jamari, the rain will June 10 by October 20. In Katagum, having its headquarters, the rain will start and October 24. In Krif, having its headquarters, the is 4th month. The rain will stop 2020. State, we have local government at Misau. Then we start government by June 6 stopped by October 2024. In Bauchi, we have Ningi government. In Bauchi, we have Ningi as having its headquarters. The other is June 1. We stopped by Shira local Bauchi State at Yana. Of rain and the rain will stop 25 4. In Bauchi State, Tafa government with its Bunu rain in Tafa is 1724 and the rain November 7. Local government in Bauchi having its headquarters. The onset of rain 3 and by November 4. Warji local government having its headquarters the June 2. The rain will stop by October 2024. Last but not the least, Zaki local government having its Angum is 17th June. The rain will stop October 2024. So it is 20 local government and their headquarters states. Yes, on Bavaria and ask to agriculture. You can call on 340 81 340 81. Another state is to your views. Yours Alagara. Bye.